Metro don't trust you, I'm gon' shoot you. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe.
Okay, so I start by getting some frozen fruit. I have raspberries, mangoes, pineapple, and milk, all that good stuff. And then I'm just using this Black & Decker blender, and I just put all of my frozen fruit into the blender, the strawberries, raspberries, mangoes, pineapple, and the milk. And then I just like pulse it and kind of get it to a higher speed after that, so that way it gets all blended. And it will get stuck, as you can see, because it's so thick. So I just took like the back of like a spatula spoon, and while it was blending, I kind of just mixed it, because usually your blender should come with like a black stick thing to do that, but I don't have mine. And then I just got it to the consistency that I wanted. And now I just have my toppings: coconut, peanut butter, granola, some bananas, chia seed, and some honey. And I'm gonna top that off kind of like the restaurants do. So I'm just putting it into a bowl, just smoothing it out and getting all of it. You have to kind of move fast because it will start to melt. So now I just add all of my toppings to it, all fancy smancy, because I really wanted it to look pretty, but you definitely don't. You can just like throw it all on. That's usually what I would do if I wasn't filming this video, and then I just add some honey on top. And that is how I created a DIY smoothie bowl. I hope you guys really enjoyed. It's super healthy and hydrating, and I'll see you guys in my next video.